This is Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. I'm going to show you a quick project. Allows you to recycle those junk envelopes you get that are always coming in junk mail. I don't throw any of my junk mail away without going through it. I find things that can be used for stickers, for homeschool, or sticking notes on kids' doors. I find if there's a blank piece of paper, regular full length, 8 by 11 sheet of paper, and one side is blank, it goes into my printer. We use that for homeschool. I have not bought paper probably for 3 years, so I save all of that. And I take out these return envelopes that everybody sends these to you. They want you to send them money, they want you to send back whatever crap they've sent you in the mail, but I'm going to show you a way that you can get yourself a free, clean, new envelope by using the junk envelopes that they send you. And this is a great project for kids to do, or to do if you like to have crafty things sitting around while you're watching TV or your YouTube video. Alright, when you get your new envelope, you see that it has the adhesive on here. Usually they're either a triangular shape here, or you got this straight edge. But you want to very carefully separate that edge. And then unfold it. Now you have an unfolded envelope. Now you're going to flip it over so you're looking at the printed side, and you're going to refold it sort of like it's inside out. Just recrease everything. And you need a glue stick. You can use Elmer's glue too if you want. You can use tape, but you don't want, the tape is more expensive, and you don't want the cost of creating a new envelope to cancel out the savings from not buying an envelope. So I wouldn't recommend using tape unless you have a huge amount of it from some kind of bulk purchase or something. Okay, and I'm just going to crease my thing there with my glue stick. I just used a regular old craft glue stick. And now I have a new envelope. And how you seal this is you just would lick your adhesive like normal, and instead of it sticking over the top, you're just going to tuck it inside. You've seen people do that when like you don't want to seal an envelope. So you would just lick it and then tuck it inside. And so it's sort of the opposite way, but you still get to use your adhesive, and you have a new envelope. To get a shoebox, and you just, you just save up, until I have a pile of them, and then I just sit and do that during TV, or I get a kid to do it, or whatever, and I just make a whole bunch and I just store them in the shoebox, and I always have envelopes. And I always get excited when we get colored ones. Most of the time they're the business size one, and that's fine. And I have an envelope. So I hope this little project helped you save money and reuse something that would otherwise go into the trash. This has been Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Thanks for joining us. Bye.